The global protein market is a staggering $1.4 trillion industry, but beneath its glossy surface lies a profound and costly deception that has been secretly sabotaging your health. For years, you have been told that eggs, expensive protein shakes, and powders are the ultimate fuel for muscle growth. But the shocking truth is, they are profit food, not power food. A monumental lie is being perpetuated, especially when it comes to the needs of the aging body. Clinical studies from respected institutions like Tufts University reveal a disturbing fact. After age 60, your body's efficiency plummets, absorbing less than 55% of the animal-based protein you consume, meaning nearly half of your hard-earned money and effort is literally wasted and never reaches the muscles it was intended to repair. This is the trillion-dollar industry's deepest secret, which they protect with immense resources. In 2023 alone, corporate lobbyists spent a colossal $4.6 billion to aggressively push egg and whey protein advertising while actively suppressing over 30 clinical studies. These suppressed findings prove beyond a shadow of a doubt that a natural, simple solution exists. 5 tiny seeds that contain up to 7 grams of complete, bioavailable protein per tablespoon and scientifically outperform whey, casein, and even lean meats in absorption and recovery. They don't want you to know this because uncovering this secret threatens to dismantle their entire business model, built upon a foundation of inefficiency and expensive, poorly absorbed supplements. The human cost of this widespread deception is devastating, manifesting as a silent, relentless condition called sarcopenia, the age-related loss of muscle mass that relentlessly erodes personal independence. The numbers are frightening. Every 11 seconds, an older adult suffers a life-altering fall simply because their muscles can no longer hold them securely. By the time you reach 70, you may have unknowingly lost up to 40% of your muscle mass, and by 80, half of all seniors struggle just to lift their own body weight. This devastating loss of strength and mobility is often mistakenly accepted as an inevitable part of aging, but the truth is that reversing it is far more accessible than you've been led to believe. The Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism tracked adults over 65 who incorporated these specific seeds into their daily diets and witnessed results that defied conventional advice. Participants saw their lean muscle mass increase by 18%, chronic inflammation drop by 40%, and grip strength, the most critical predictor of overall muscle health and longevity, surge by 31%, all in a mere 6 weeks, and without a single supplement or change to their exercise routine. These natural compounds don't just provide raw protein, they activate and restore your body's inherent muscle-building switch in under 45 minutes after consumption. The scientific data is incontrovertible, showing that the number 2 seed on this list outperformed eggs by 70% in muscle fiber growth and boosted strength recovery by 33% in less than 2 weeks. In this video, we will expose the 5 seeds scientifically proven to have more usable protein than eggs to aggressively fight sarcopenia and to rebuild your strength naturally using the hard, undeniable data the trillion-dollar industry desperately tried to keep from you. The 5th secret weapon in the fight against muscle loss is the humble pumpkin seed, an ancient fuel source that modern science confirms builds muscle faster than eggs. Most people thoughtlessly toss these away, unaware they are discarding a powerhouse that packs 9 grams of complete protein per quarter cup, a significant advantage over a large egg's 6 grams. These green powerhouses are a perfect protein source because they contain all 9 essential amino acids, the building blocks your body cannot produce on its own, allowing your muscles to immediately begin repair and growth. Groundbreaking research from the University of Michigan demonstrated that seniors who consumed just 30 grams of pumpkin seeds daily boosted their grip strength by 18% in just 6 weeks, a crucial marker that predicts overall health and longevity. The secret to the pumpkin seed's effectiveness against sarcopenia lies not just in its protein quantity, but in the presence of magnesium. 1 serving provides 37% of your daily needs. Magnesium acts as the master key that allows protein to enter your muscle cells and initiate the rebuilding process. Without adequate magnesium, you could consume all the protein in the world and your muscles would still waste away because they literally cannot absorb it properly. Furthermore, the zinc content in pumpkin seeds, which is 7 times higher than that in eggs, directly stimulates the production of vital growth hormone and testosterone, 2 critical factors that rapidly decline after 60 and accelerate muscle loss. This is why personal stories like Margaret's, a retired Ohio teacher who was warned about severe muscle weakness but could carry her grandchildren again without pain within 2 months of adding these seeds, are so common. The iron in pumpkin seeds, about 2.5 pilligallons per serving, carries oxygen to muscle tissue, and without enough, your muscles essentially suffocate and die from the inside out, while the phosphorus maintains muscle contractions. Unique compounds called cucurbitins reduce the chronic inflammation that is a hidden driver of sarcopenia, destroying muscle fibers faster than they can be repaired. The combination of nutrients creates a powerful synergistic effect, multiplying their muscle-building power far beyond what any single nutrient could achieve alone, and best of all, they become more digestible when lightly toasted, ensuring maximum absorption of their muscle-saving nutrients. Moving to our 4th game changer, hemp hearts. These deliver an incredible 10 grams of complete protein per 3 tablespoons, surpassing eggs with a unique protein profile specifically designed to target age-related muscle deterioration. The secret here is a rare component called edestand protein, which shares a structure almost identical to that of human muscle tissue, allowing your body to absorb and utilize it with 98% efficiency compared to just 48% for most plant proteins. Research published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry revealed that hemp protein stimulates muscle protein synthesis 34% more effectively than whey protein in adults over 60 due to its perfect ratio of essential amino acids for the aging body. The high arginine content, providing 4.5 grams per serving, is especially crucial for seniors as it powerfully dilates blood vessels, increasing blood flow to muscles by up to 40%. A vital mechanism since muscles cannot grow or maintain themselves without adequate circulation, which naturally declines after 60. Hemp hearts contain all 20 amino acids, including high levels of branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs, that directly prevent the muscle breakdown that occurs during periods of necessary inactivity. Furthermore, the gamma-linolenic acid, GLA, found in almost no other food, is a potent anti-inflammatory that participants in a Canadian study credited with 50% less muscle soreness and twice the speed of recovery from exercise. It's the difference between Robert, a 72-year-old former marathon runner who couldn't climb stairs, and the Robert who is now back to hiking 5 miles every weekend after incorporating them into his routine. These seeds also provide 45% of your daily iron needs, combating the deficiency that affects 30% of seniors and causes muscle weakness and fatigue, regardless of protein intake. The natural enzymes in hemp hearts actually improve digestion, counteracting the natural aging process that makes protein harder to absorb, ensuring seniors are utilizing every possible nutrient. This powerhouse provides an ideal 3.1 ratio of omega-6 to omega-3 fatty acids, which optimizes the muscle-building response to exercise and prevents the chronic inflammation that accelerates muscle degradation. Our 3rd seed is the mighty chia seed, which, despite its tiny size, contains 5 grams of complete protein per 2 tablespoons and possesses a unique gel-forming fiber that fundamentally changes how your muscles utilize protein throughout the day. When chia seeds combine with liquid in your stomach, they create a gel that slows digestion, providing a steady drip-feed stream of amino acids to your muscles for up to 6 hours. A dramatic advantage over the fast spike and crash associated with most traditional protein sources. Researchers at Stanford University found that this sustained release protein effect increased muscle retention in seniors by a staggering 41% compared to those consuming the same amount of protein from conventional means. Furthermore, the calcium content in chia seeds, providing 18% of daily needs, directly impacts muscle contractions, and most people fail to realize that calcium deficiency often causes more muscle loss than protein deficiency in those over 60, yet chia seeds provide this crucial mineral in a form more bioavailable than dairy. The antioxidants found in these seeds, particularly quercetin and caffeic acid, protect muscle mitochondria, the tiny power plants that supply muscles with energy for growth. When these mitochondria fail, which increasingly happens after age 60, muscles waste away regardless of exercise or diet. Chia seeds' 11 grams of fiber feed beneficial gut bacteria that produce compounds to reduce muscle inflammation and improve protein absorption by up to 30%. They also provide more omega-3 fatty acids per gram than salmon, which actively reduces muscle-destroying inflammation. This unique combination of nutrients even triggers the production of IGF-1, a crucial growth factor that declines by 50% after age 60 and is essential for muscle maintenance. The slow-release energy they provide ensures your muscles receive constant fuel throughout the day, preventing the body from breaking down precious muscle tissue for energy between meals, a common issue for older adults. Next, we reveal the runner-up, flax seeds, which deliver 6 grams of high-quality protein per 2 tablespoons, along with lignans, powerful compounds that restore hormonal balance and directly combat the hormonal shifts that accelerate muscle loss after 60. These lignans optimize the crucial testosterone to estrogen ratio in both men and women, leading to an increase in muscle building capacity by 28% in just 10 weeks, as proven by research from the Mayo Clinic. The alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, in flax seeds converts to the powerful anti-inflammatory omega-3s, EPA and DHA, with studies showing that these plant-based omega-3s reduce muscle inflammation more effectively in seniors than traditional fish oil supplements. Your muscles need these specific compounds to maintain the flexibility of their cell membranes. Without it, the membranes become rigid with age, preventing nutrients from entering and waste products from exiting, literally causing muscles to poison themselves. Flax seeds contain unique proteins called cyclotides that have been shown to increase muscle regeneration after injury or exercise by stimulating satellite cells, which are the stem cells responsible for repairing and building new muscle tissue. A study from the University of Toronto demonstrated that seniors consuming 30 green of ground flax daily increased their lean muscle mass by 2.2 pounds in just 12 weeks, with no additional exercise, simply because flax optimizes the body's muscle-building machinery. For example, Tom, a retired firefighter, reversed 5 years of muscle loss in only 4 months after his nutritionist recommended adding ground flax to his breakfast. The soluble fiber in ground flax feeds gut bacteria that produce butyrate, a compound that reduces muscle insulin resistance, allowing aging muscles to efficiently absorb essential glucose and amino acids. It is absolutely crucial to grind flax and sesame seeds for consumption, as the mucilage in ground flax creates a protective coating in the digestive system that dramatically improves protein absorption, ensuring a higher percentage of the amino acids you consume reach your muscles instead of being wasted. Finally, we arrive at the ultimate secret weapon against sarcopenia, black sesame seeds, which contain an astounding 5 grams of protein per 2 tablespoons. But whose true power lies in a compound called sesamin. According to groundbreaking research from Kyoto University in Japan, sesamin increases muscle protein synthesis by a massive 47%. This unique lignan, found only in sesame seeds, literally changes gene expression in aging muscles, switching on the genes that promote growth and switching off those that cause muscle breakdown, essentially reprogramming your muscles to function as if they were younger. The black variety is specifically rich in anthocyanins, the same potent antioxidants found in blueberries, but in concentrations 15 times higher, offering unparalleled protection to muscle mitochondria from the oxidative damage that accelerates muscle aging. Japanese research that shocked the scientific community showed that elderly participants consuming 30 grams of black sesame seeds daily not only halted muscle loss, but actively gained an average of 3.7 pounds of lean muscle mass in just 8 weeks, without changing their exercise habits. They contain the highest amount of plant-based calcium of any food, providing 88% of daily needs per serving. Critical because calcium deficiency forces muscles to break down their own tissue to maintain blood calcium levels. The sesamin and sesamol in these seeds reduce inflammation so powerfully that they decreased inflammatory markers in muscle tissue by 62% in clinical trials, allowing muscles to focus entirely on repair and growth. The vitamin E in black sesame specifically protects the type 2 muscle fibers, the fast twitch fibers responsible for explosive strength and power that disappear most rapidly with age, preserving the strength needed to catch yourself from a fall. The combined effect of all these nutrients is what researchers term the sesame effect, a phenomenon where daily consumption of black sesame seeds literally reverses multiple markers of muscle aging simultaneously. The truth about fighting sarcopenia is not just about eating more protein, but about consuming the right bioavailable types of protein along with the precise combination of minerals, antioxidants, and unique compounds that allow aging muscles to actually use that protein effectively. By starting with just one of these 5 seeds and gradually incorporating the others, always remembering to grind flax and sesame seeds for optimal absorption, you will begin to notice improvements in your strength, energy, and overall muscle function within weeks, rebuilding the strength you need to maintain your independence and quality of life for decades to come. Now, how old were you when you first started noticing your strength fading or balance changing? Drop a comment below. We are personally reading through every single response.